have been taking this medicine for 1 year actually. But my eyesight is very weak. And my two legs from waist below has become very weak. But as I know, from the time of taking these medicines, it remains strong. And my eyes is not deteriorated more. It retains clear sight. But I want to know from the doctors, from the expert, whether this medicine will have a side effect. Because I want to take it lifelong. If I take it daily, 2 times, shall it affect on other part of the body, other issues. That is what I want to know from the expert today. And for me, this time I have not taken any other medicines except this. I am taking as a food. And I have no itching, or I have not any pains on my body. I don't have any pains, any part of my internal part also. But my weakness is in the eyes and from the waist below. And I think this also, so long when I am taking this medicine, it will remain strong. Otherwise, I would have not been able to go out from my house. But today, I walk from my home to this place on my foot. Only the thing is, I'm weak in my eyesight, and I can't see properly all the stones or pebbles on the road. That I'm afraid of this. Only to take care of this, I am slowly walking, and people, when I was walking with the stick, people look me very weak. But really, I'm not weak.
Lifeis, changing lives. For more details, log on to www.lifeisspeed.com.